Before I begin, I want to quickly explain why I'm using Google Colab instead of Jupyter Notebook. For JAWS screen reader users, Jupyter can be tricky. It often doesn't announce which cell you're in, the output area isn't clearly labeled, and when a program asks for user input, JAWS doesn't always detect it. Google Colab, on the other hand, is much more accessible. Each code cell and output section has proper labels, navigation between cells is smooth, and JAWS gives feedback every step of the way. So in this video, I'll show you how easy it is to write, run and navigate code in Google Colab using JAWS. Let's start. I have opened Google Colab from my shortcut saved on my desktop. Press escape
Escape.
once or sometimes
Escape.
twice
Welcome to Colab
to close
document.
the Open Notebook dialog, which opens by default. Then I press caps
Select the
F5
form field dialog.
to
List
open
1
the
list
form
view.
fields
Notebook
list.
name edit. Welcome to Colab unavailable 1 of 48.
Now I move to the menu bar at the top where it says File
F. File button 2 of 48.
and press Enter.
Enter. File button menu collapsed.
Here I can arrow right through other options like Edit, View and so on, all of which are accessible to JAWS.
File edit button menu edit but view button edit button menu collapsed. File button menu collapsed. Enter. New notebook and drive menu. Welcome to Colab
I arrow
Colab
down
Banner
once
region.
to
File
New
button menu.
Notebook in Drive
Menu. New notebook and drive.
and press
Enter.
Enter.
Leaving menus. Google Colab. Google Colab.
JAWS
Page
places
has
the
no
cursor
links. Google Colab loading
automatically in the
close
first
button.
code cell,
Blank. Untitled
ready for me
Colab.
to
Notebook
type.
main region. Cell 0 code cell region. Editor content semicolon. Press Alt plus F1 for
I'll type a simple print statement.
PRINT. Left parent. Quote. HELLO space JAWS. Quote. Right parent. Control S. Saving
I'm saving it first.
Saved successfully.
Now I press Ctrl plus
Control
Enter
enter. Executing cell.
to
Allocating
execute the
runtime.
code.
Connecting to Python 3. Initializing Python 3. Connected to Python 3. Execution is completed.
JAWS announces execution completed. I press Escape once,
Virtual PC cursor.
arrow down
Code cell up.
twice,
Hello JAWS.
and JAWS reads the output. To add another code cell, I press caps plus F5
Select
again
the form field dialog. List
to
1
open
list
the
view.
form
Notebook
fields
name edit
list.
untitled 5.image.
Choose
1 of 4 C.
Insert
Command
Code
show C. Code insert code cell below Control plus
and
MB button.
press
6.
Enter.
Enter. Code insert code cell below Control plus MB button. Code insert code cell below
A new
Control
cell
plus
is
MB
added
button.
right after the first one.
Enter. Notebook main region. Cell 1 colon
I'll
code
type
cell
another
colon
short
region.
code
Editor content semicolon.
and run
Press
it
Alt
with
plus F1
Ctrl
for
plus Enter.
accessibility options. Editor blank. FOR space INRANGE. Left parent. Un4. Right parent. Colon. Enter. PRINT. Left parent. Right parent. Control S. Saving . Saved successfully. Control Enter. Executing cell. Execution is completed.
Again, when I hear execution completed, I press
Escape.
Escape
Virtual PC cursor.
and arrow down
Code cell output actions
to
0.
review the output.
1, 2, 3.
Now let's rename the notebook. I press caps F5
Select the form field
to
dialog.
open
List
the
1
form
list
fields
view.
list
Notebook name edit untitled 5.
and choose the first option, Notebook Name Edit.
Enter. Banner region. Notebook name edit. Until T-I-T-L-E-D-5 period. D-E-L-T-I-T-N-U. 1, 6. Space. O. C. T.
I type a new name and press enter.
Enter. 16 dash collab document. Control S. Saving dot dot dot. Saved successfully.
That's it. Quick and accessible. Next, I'll open a saved notebook. I press Ctrl O
Control O. Open notebook dialog. List.
to
Recent.
open the
2
file
of 5.
dialog. I can either tab once
Enter a search string to filter the list of
to
notebooks
reach the
shown below.
search
Edit.
box
Blank.
and type the notebook name. I'll search for JAWS demo.
J. 12 result. A. W. S. Space 27 result. E. 21 E. 1 result. M. O.
Or I can tab and arrow a few times to browse the recent notebooks. I'll choose the
Open note.
file
Recent note. First open title. JAWS demo. Image link. Column 2 row 2.
and press
Enter.
enter
Google
to open
Colab.
it.
Google Colab.
The cursor is now in the first quote cell. This notebook has 3 simple code cells which I've previously saved. The first cell asks for input, a name and an age, followed by a print statement. I'll run the cell with Ctrl plus
Control enter.
enter.
Executing cell. Cell 0 output region. Edit. Blank.
Now I type my name,
G-R-I-S-H-M. Enter. Editor content semicolon. Press Alt plus
press
F1 for
enter,
accessibility options. Editor. Cell 0 output region. Edit.
then
Blank.
my
1.
age,
8.
and press
Enter.
enter.
Editor content semicolon. Press Alt plus F1 for accessibility options. Editor contains text. Execution is completed.
The statement is displayed in the output region.
Escape. Vert editor. Editor codes. Enter your name colon Krish. Enter your age colon 18. Hello Krish. You are 18 years old.
Here's the important part. I can read exactly what the input prompt says by using the arrow keys to move up and down in the output window. In Jupyter, this is difficult. The output isn't labeled well, and I often have to guess what's displayed. In Colab, everything is structured, and JAWS reads it clearly. Suppose I want to move to the last code cell. Arrowing through each one manually can be tedious. Instead, I press caps
Select a
F5
form field dialog.
to
List
open
1
the
list
form
view.
fields
Notebook name
list,
edit JAWS demo.image
then
1 to
press
47.
Ctrl plus Fn plus right
Hyphen 3
arrow
button 47 to
to jump
47.
to the
Bottom
end
of
of the
5. Hyphen
list.
3 button 47 to 47.
From there, I arrow up a few
9:06 p.m. button.
times
Terminal button. 45 of variables button. Toggle Gemini button. Code cell output actions button. Editor content semicolon. Press Alt
until
plus
I hear
F1 for
editor
accessibility
content
options. Edit name 1 equals quote Christian quote name 2.
and
Enter.
press enter.
Cell 2 colon code cell colon region. Editor content semicolon. Press Alt plus F1 for access.
Now I'm inside the last cell. If I want to know how many code cells are in a notebook, I press caps
Select a form
F5
field
again.
dialog. List 1 list view. Notebook name edit
Then
JAWS
I
demo.image
repeatedly
1 of
press the
47.
letter E
E edit button 5 of 47. E editor contents. E editor content semicolon.
each
Press Alt plus.
time. JAWS says editor content, which helps me count the total number of code cells. However, be sure not to count the one that says edit button, or else you might be confused with counting it as one extra time. So that's how easy it is to code, execute, navigate, and read output in Google Colab with JAWS. Colab's labeled interface, proper feedback, and structured layout make it far more accessible than Jupyter Notebook. I hope this demo helps you feel more confident about starting your own Python projects in Colab. On a side note, it is better to use a Braille display like Braille Emotion or Braille Sense 6 to prevent errors due to incorrect indentation. Thank you.